In my business, it's easy to tell whether someone's done the work. Me, I always stay prepared, like how I got a plan through CarShield before my car broke down. And CarShield administrators are the experts at getting expensive repair bills paid.
Call CarShield today. Plans through CarShield pay for expensive repairs on up to 5,000 parts and systems in your car when they break down, including your engine, transmission, and even your electronics.
It's so easy to be prepared for the worst, especially if you've called the best. CarShield, America's #1 auto protection company. They have a network of certified repair technicians. They make the repair process as easy as possible.
CarShield administrators go the extra mile by including coast-to-coast 24/7 roadside assistance, courtesy towing, and rental car auctions included.
This is important. You have to call before your car breaks down, or it's too late.
Protect yourself from expensive car repairs. Call 800-579-6554.